This will be a very interesting video because I will gonna show you why most dropshippers have no sales. I mean, 90% of the dropshippers, they are crying today that they have very little sales. What's happening? So, by the way, today is January 25, 2018. All right, Thursday. So the thing is, if you just in a part of some Facebook group, which are with the focus of the dropshipping or eBay selling and so on. So the people, one thing what I discovered is the people are always complaining about low sales season now. It's kind of like after Christmas holiday season, there is coming this magical low sale season. Okay, when the people are not active, but because they spend a lot of money during holiday season and all this crap. This is bullshit, guys. Because I still have as a minimum 10 sales per day, sometimes 18, 17, 18, okay? And I have only 200, no, not even 200, I don't have 200. I have about 800, 86 or something like that. Let's say 190, 190 listings I have only. And I still have more than 10 sales every day now in January 2018. All right. So, but what you're gonna see, is I will gonna show you I will prove you actually. I will gonna prove to you why most 90% of dropshippers they have no sales, and you will discover this shocking truth, and you will gonna tell me, wow, I didn't thought about that, because guys, remember we are living in the year 2018. Okay, the most of the dropshipping gurus out there, they are teaching you outdated methods. Another thing, the most information what you can get there, I don't care, Udemy, YouTube, those informations, they are outdated. If you are applying outdated information today in 2018, you will gonna have no sales. Let's go, let's just be practical here, okay? Let's be practical here. What we're gonna do, we find something like fish tank, okay? Let's go for fish tank. So here is the fish tank. This one, nice, doesn't matter. We take one fish tank which comes right in the front of us, and what we do, we just copy and paste, because this was the method what was working years ago, and this was the method what I was in my beginning of my career, but just a copy and paste. You copy the title and then you go to eBay and you paste the title in eBay. Okay, and let's see what happens. Oh, 81 result. And are you surprised that we are seeing all those tanks here? And this is dropshipper, and this is dropshipper, and this is dropshipper, and this is dropshipper. All of them are dropshippers. Let's just look a little bit, right? And there is it from Canada. This is, I don't know from where, I don't care from where he is. He is from somewhere, I don't know. And he has been selling already for years and years, because he have a lot of feedbacks here. So, but what they are doing, all of them, they are just copy and paste, copy and paste, and all of them on the same page, and none of them have a sale. And all of those guys here are the guys who are complaining that they have no sale. I don't know what happened with me. I don't know why I'm doing so bad. I don't know, maybe I have some too much competition. Maybe I have to lower the price. Maybe that, maybe blah, 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 blah. It's just so crazy, guys. I can sell this tank for $49.99 all day long without no competition, at all, because I will never gonna do this copy and paste title. This is 2018. This copy and paste stuff was working, and price cutting stuff was working in 2014. All right, because that really worked in that time. I remember that was what we were doing. We were just copying here. We just was typing in here. Then we look for the sold items here. Okay, sold items here. We look for sold items here, and then we find the best sold item here, and then we undercut, let's say 33.74, then we undercut the price on a 33.70, okay? We use main part of this title and we're done, okay? That is, guys, 2014 method. I still use this for my newbies just to get quick sale, okay? But even then I apply totally different method because this doesn't work anymore. And if you are wondering why you don't have sales or why you have one sale per every second day maybe, yeah, that's what we are doing probably. I never do this. I create my own title and I'm going away from all those folks here. I'm going away with my fish tank and I'm selling my fish tank all day long. Because I'm applying new method what works now in 2018, what was working at the end of 2017, and now it works in 2018. Just can you guys, do you remember last year when eBay changed the requirements and they said that the UPC codes we have to use, all of us? Before you can leave it blank or you can just type in some boogie code there, okay? But not anymore. Not anymore, guys. Why? Because technology is developing. What was working before, it's not working now. So you have to know what's working now. Stop doing this bullshit if you want to make a sale. Okay, let's try something else. Maybe it's just I'm lucky here. Well, I don't know. We can try something else. Find out something else. Maybe this is only about the fish tanks, okay? Let's say something else. Bike rack. Okay, let's go for bike rack. Bike racks. Here is the bike rack. Here is one. Let's take this bike rack here. Okay, bike rack. Do the same. Copy. Okay, and let's go to the eBay. Let's go to eBay. Paste the same title. Booms. Let's say bike racks. Here they are. All of them are right here. All of them are crying. All of them are like complaining. All of them say, I am on eBay already 3 years. I have 550 positive feedbacks. You don't have to teach me what works on eBay, what not. If you are so smart as, why you are putting all this the same, why you are on the same page here? Why you are just copy and paste titles from Amazon into your eBay page? If you are so smart, I don't know, this is probably you started, I don't know, in a year for 1947 maybe, okay? I don't care. But all what I know is you don't know how to sell stuff in 2018, okay? So guys, this doesn't work. Let me show you something else. Let me show you something else. Let's go to YouTube. Let's go to YouTube and let's say how to sell on eBay. Okay, let's do this. All right, how to sell on eBay. Yes, this is 780,000 views. Yes, I got the finest information here. It's so 2 years ago, guys. What was you working 2 years? I don't care what he's saying here. Most of this stuff doesn't work anymore. Most of the stuff doesn't work anymore. This one, 3 years ago, 6.5 million. How to sell on eBay for beginners. Oh yes, I'm a beginner. I think I got the good information on YouTube. Guys, this is not working anymore. If you were gonna watch the video and if you gonna apply this, this is not working anymore. Even year ago, 11 things to be before you start selling on eBay. I don't care what it is. It's outdated. And that's the biggest mistake. And that's the thing what the most of the guys are doing. That's why we can see such a titles and such a guys here who doing all the same stuff like I showed you. This is insane, guys. Can you? I hope you get it. Okay, I hope you can get the point. But this is useless. And the reason is very simple. The outdated methods has been taught even now from the coaches, from the gurus, from most of them. I don't know all of them, but what I have been heard from most of them. If you go to some pages or groups and just spend around some time there and see what the questions are, what the answers are. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. I think, hey guys, you are still in a stone age. It's 2018 now. What are you thinking about? What are you teaching about? The algorithm has been changed already. The methods has been changed already, and you're still working like your grandpa and grandma. Okay, so guys, don't waste your time. Don't stop this bullshit. And if you want to sell something, just do the job. Learn what works in this year. Okay, what was working last year doesn't work this year anymore, and what is working right now in January, it will not gonna work in December. I promise you, because I have been teaching eBay already. I have been coaching eBay already for last 3 years in 2 different languages. I have 2 different groups. One is in English, another is my native language. Okay? It doesn't matter where you sell. You are selling from AliExpress to eBay, from Amazon to eBay, from Walmart to eBay. It doesn't matter. It's all the same. eBay is changing. You have to know what's changed if you want to sell. If you're still applying all those old type of methods, what your ancestors did, you will gonna be on the same page here, and you will keep crying that you have no sales. So, but the good news is I can teach you. Well, by the way, you can go and watch my videos. I have a lot of free information on YouTube. Oh yeah, I got a lot of free information on YouTube. What works now? Okay, but those are, I'm not gonna teach you on a YouTube. I'm not gonna teach you on a YouTube exactly how to do that. I just spreading out information. Yeah, but I have a training course for my students where I teach them exactly how it works, exactly what you have to do, exactly how to make sales. And what's the difference between 2018 and between 2014? Okay? Yeah, that's not for free. Okay. Of course it's not. Because I'm not stupid. Nobody here is stupid. You don't think those guys are just throwing out their everything on the table? No. They hope they put on a YouTube here, and they hope that you will sign up for something what was working 3 years ago. No, it doesn't work, sugar mama. Year ago, bye-bye, it's still not working. Already for half a year not working. So guys, we are in technology age, in internet age. Everything is changing fast. eBay is changing fast. Sales methods, sales tactics changing fast. You have to know about them if you want to make sales. All right? Below this video, you can find a link to my Facebook group, actually to my Facebook page. You can join me on my Facebook page. There is a lot of good information. Or you can join Alpha Course Training. The link is below the video. And I think it's still, maybe at this moment today, it's still for $49. And you got one-time payment, free webinars, free 24/7 support. But I don't promise that it will gonna keep running for $49, because I am planning to raise the price, because I know the value of the information I'm giving away. $49 is just one meal in a Burger King, okay? So guys, it works not only for internationals, but it works the same way for Americans, or for Australians, or for Russians. I don't care where you are. Okay, there is just some simple methods, simple settings and specifics what you have to apply if you sell here. Okay, but don't be fooled by the internet gurus that hey, I know the best methods, I know how to make 10,000 a day. Okay, it does not exist. If you want to make solid money, you have to learn how it works. All right, thank you for your attention, and yeah, well, just see you in some another video. Bye bye.